Do you trust water? Would you trust me if I told you I can transfer water from one cup to the next using just a piece of string? Now what about God? Do you trust God? Now, very often science can seem like magic until you hear the explanation and then you think, oh, yeah, that makes sense that that would happen. So today's experiment, I promise you, is real science and it's going to be real cool. Water has very special properties. It is both a cohesive, meaning it sticks to itself, and an adhesive, meaning it sticks to other things. Remember, I said that water is our most simple and yet most complex substance, and we will learn more and more why that is so. But for today, we'll be testing these cohesive and adhesive properties. We'll be transferring water from one cup to the next using just this piece of string. And since that's all we'll be working with today, there's no need for any safety equipment. So here we have a long piece of string and two cups, one that is half full and the other one that is empty. You want to completely soak the string in water. This is utilizing the water's adhesive property. The water is sticking to the string. This is very important for the next part. As you can see, I've taped this piece of string on the side of the cup with water and at the very bottom of the empty cup. Now, I've added some food coloring hoping that you can see the water travel down the string a little bit easier. Now, you'll definitely want to start out very slow until the water attaches to the string. And there you go. And now you should be able to see the blue water traveling down the yellow string into the empty cup. Now, I don't know about you, but I think this is pretty cool. And I promise you, this is not magic, this is science. And there you go. Now all the water is in this cup. So what is the science behind this? Well, water has two hydrogens and one oxygen, H2O. And this creates a slightly negative charge on one side and a slightly positive charge on the other, kind of like a magnet. Now imagine that you're on the monkey bars and you're grabbing the next bar until you make it all the way down to the other side. That's what the water molecules are doing. They're grabbing the next water molecule and then the next until they make it all the way down the string into the other cup. And this is that cohesive property that we were talking about. It is sticking to itself, and it is sticking to the next molecule until it makes it all the way down the string. The adhesive property is the water sticking to the string, and that allows the other water molecules to stick to that and to grab the next one and the next one and travel down the string. Now, it's hard to trust that the water will travel down the string and fall into the cup, but it does happen. Just like it's hard to trust that God exists or that He will help us through our struggles. But the more you understand and the better relationship that you have with God, the easier it will be to have trust and to get through. So, have fun with water, trust in God, and until next time!